What's going on, guys? Will here, back with another video. Now this is the second time of me recording this intro because the first one has just corrupted. But welcome back. This is my first upload in a couple of months, and today we have quite an interesting video. So in today's video, we're going to be trying to identify what has gone wrong with my Audi A3, how it happened, and how to fix it. So let me give you a bit of backstory. So one morning I came back to my car. This was about a couple of months ago now. Tried to get my car, tried to basically leave to go out in it, and it just would not move. The parking brake had failed. There was a warning light. The brake was stuck on, so I couldn't move the car anywhere. And it just happened randomly out of the blue. Bearing in mind, 2 days before this, I had just done a 500-mile round trip to Manchester and back. So of course, we like to try and figure out what has gone wrong before we take it to a mechanic or whatever. So called my friend Liam, and together we decided to go through some couple of bits that Google told us, some couple of bits that we thought it could be, to try and identify what was wrong with it. And then we would get it checked out just to make sure that we'd fixed everything completely. But you'll see what was wrong with it within the video and if we managed to fix it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also remember to hit that subscribe button and ding dong that notification bell. That way you'll be notified of any future uploads. And why not follow my Instagram? I'll put it on the screen now. Saving the day again. First things first, you need gas. I know what's wrong with it, ain't got no gas in it. We've pulled him out because the back left is stuck. It's basically, I get a warning light on here whenever I put that parking brake on. Oh yeah, it's just not what you want. Oh, just called out Liam because he's alright with cars. It's definitely the back left. We were just trying it and it was just spinning and the back left was stuck. But I had a look on there, the caliper's still on, so it's not like the caliper's falling off, and the brakes are fine. He's currently doing his thing. So I've been on Google just to see what it is. Hey Liam, do you want to come out a minute just so I can show everyone what's going on? Yeah, I was just going to say come out a minute. So I'll show you look what's happening. So if I turn this on, it'll come up. This will be flashing, and there we go. Comes up with parking brake failure. What I was told though is if you put all the seat belts in and slam the door, it resets the sensor. I mean, it sounds like bullshit to me, but someone's saying it online, so I think it's probably best that we try it. Right, so all the seat belts are now in. Let me put this in. Slam the door. Nah, it didn't work.
Turn out.
What, push it down?
Yeah, door.
Nah, it's still doing there. Phone ran out of memory, but that just didn't work. So we're now under the hood. We're gonna check the fuses, see if the fuses work. Fingers crossed, it's something as cheap as a fuse. So I've just taken the fuses off, starting to get a little bit dark, but this does look a bit dead. So yeah, fingers crossed it's just a fuse that's not working, and it'll be sweet. We're now gonna go Halfords, buy a box of fuses, or just a couple of fuses, only a couple of quid, so might as well try it, see if it's that. We are here, we've got the fuses now. I'll take this off. So we found the right fuse box. The fuse box to come to is the one in here in the glove box. We're looking around the fuse and we found out it is the 10 amp fuse on the it's the top line pretty much. So there's 3 big ones up here and there's the first line down. So it's this one here that we've taken out. We've now got the new ones here. Fingers crossed this is the right one. So Liam, you can do the honours. Oh, I'm hoping that this is the right one. We have to take the glove box off because it's not going in. It's slightly upwards, as you can see. So it's hard to push in. So we're just going to take this off just so that we can have a better grip and angle because we've already dropped one. As you can hear, it's on that side. It's now dark so you can barely see me, but we've tried the fuse. There's plenty of brake fluid, isn't there? Yeah, it's all the way to the brim on brake fluid, so it's not that. It's literally the back. It's literally just the back of the back left one that's stuck. The other ones are fine. It's just so weird, so strange. You can try it. I'm now trying to jack the car up. Last resort. Take the wheel off and have a look at the brake itself.
Double jack.
Damn. Look at that jack.
Damn, Jack Daddy.
Tyres off. Can't really see much, but tyres off. Now having a look inside. Can't really show you much because it's a bit dark. But he's having a look inside here. All the cables and the electric brake, as you can see. And we think we might have found the issue. There's a couple of rips in the brake cables. Shit. How is that happen then? Do you know?
I don't know.
Don't know, Jess. How does that happen? But yeah, as you can see, there's one there. And there's one on this one as well. That might be the reason. Let's find out how much they are. Liam's now taken the whole brake off just to see if there's anything else wrong with it. Fingers crossed, it's just those 2 wires. Don't even know how we did it. No clue at all.
Where my face is.
I'm the light man. So after taking the brake off, it's still flashing. However, the warning light is not coming up on the dash anymore. We've took the brake off, put it back on, and now it's not coming up on the dash anymore. But the parking brake still isn't working. Now putting everything together, it's getting very chilly out. And then we'll try it and see if we've managed to fix it or not. Fine, it's the engine's on, we're in service mode. No warning lights. No flashing. It's working like normal. Let's put it down. It's moving. Wasn't moving before. So you fixed it, Raz. Hey! And that's why, like I said in the last video, I keep him around. Oh. Oi, as if you fixed that. No qualifications, no GCSEs, no brains. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. Hit Liam up. Any accident and body repair, he's your guy. And also any handyman things these are guys are by the looks of things. Just need to get those cables fixed now because I don't really want to be driving around with those gashes in my cables, but at least it's working for now. Wait, what a win. So we've just come to this electric forecourt for a Costa. I'm treating Liam to a Costa for fixing my car. And this little one's arrived as well.
Hi.
This is actually mad. Like, there's meeting rooms for, say, if you're in a meeting on the go where your car's charging.
You get little pins.
Yeah. So you can get a pin to do it. There's some good music in the background. Also, come look at this. You can even do some exercise while you wait for your car to charge. Pretty sick. This coffee table is also unreal. Got the celebratory Costas. Well done, Liam. Everyone give Liam a round of applause. Yes. So I'm just getting the new trim in. Have you had a little clean up? Huh? Oh, you've had a little trim up as well. Ooh, 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 get him. As far as the video is concerned, that is everything. I just want to say we've got some new plans for the channel. We've got some brilliant video ideas coming up, so stay tuned for that. Like I said, hit the subscribe button for future uploads and you'll be notified from every future upload if you dinged on that notification bell. But I'm going to leave the video there, so I'll see you guys next week. Peace.